Hi, in this video we are going to see about network setup in HP Office Z 5200 all-in-one series printer. So additional advanced settings are available from the printer's home page, embedded web server or EWS. So this section contains the following topics as you can see on the screen. First, set up the printer for wireless communication. Second, change network settings. And third one, use Wi-Fi direct. So let's see one by one. First topic, which is set up the printer for wireless communication. So in this it contains, before you begin, set up the printer on your wireless network, change the connection type, test the wireless connection, turn on or off the wireless capability of the printer. Some important note and tips are available on the screen. You can read it for more information. Now let's move and see the setup printer on your wireless network. To set up from the printer control panel, you can follow the steps which is available on the screen. As you can see, there are 4 steps. So in this way you can set up from the printer control panel. Now let's see, to set up using the HP Smart app. You can use the HP Smart app to set up the printer on your wireless network. The HP Smart app is supported on iOS, Android and Windows devices. So you can follow these 3 steps which is available on the screen. So in this way you can set up your printer wirelessly using HP Smart app and change connection type. After you have successfully installed the HP printer software and connected to the printer to your computer or to a network, you can use this software to change the connection type. For example, from USB connection to a wireless connection. Now we will see about the next topic of this video, which is change network settings. From the printer control panel, you can set up and manage your printer wireless connection and perform a variety of network management tasks like viewing the and changing network settings, restoring network defaults, and turning the wireless function on or off. Some important caution is available here. You can read this content for more information. And to print network setting, you can follow the steps which is available on here on the screen. And to change IP setting, you can refer the on-screen instructions and details which is available, and you can read it for more information. Now let's move to the last part of this video, which is use Wi-Fi direct. With Wi-Fi direct, you can print wirelessly from a computer, smartphone, tablet or any wireless capable device without connecting to an existing wireless network. Some guidelines for using Wi-Fi direct. As you can see, make sure your computer or a mobile device has the necessary software, and you can read these lines or contents which is available on the screen for more information. And to turn on Wi-Fi direct, you can follow these steps which is available on the screen. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description, and top experts will help you.